BJP to lose seats in spite of improved vote shares. On analysing results of exit polls conducted after the Delhi State Assembly elections on the 7th of February, what strikes you is how consistent they are. Most exit polls agree on a comfortable majority for the Aam Aadmi Party and wiped out Congress Party from the fight. Here is election metric speculation. So what does the model actually say about the winners in these Delhi elections based on the exit poll survey results from Saturday? Chart 1 gives the distribution of seat shares based on different hypothetical values of vote shares of three major parties. The key step in forecasting seats based on the vote shares is to be able to divide the aggregate number for a particular party into expected votes in each individual constituency. The interesting thing to note is that even an equal vote share for the BJP and the AAP results in the latter getting a comfortable majority. The other thing to notice, based on predictions of overall vote shares from Saturday's exit polls, is that what was once a three-cornered contest back in 2013 has now turned into a two-cornered contest thanks to the decimation of the Congress. The problem with forecasting a first-past-the-post election is that it's not the total number of votes a party gets across constituencies that matters, but the distribution. We have seen that in a two-cornered contest, a party can get wiped out even after winning over 40% of the votes, while in a four-cornered contest, less than 40% of the votes can lead to a virtual sweep.